Hey guys, welcome back to Digit.in, and today we are going to show you the budget gaming PC we built for a budget of about 50,000 rupees. This is the Intel build and we have a separate video for the AMD build. You can get the link for that video in the description down below. For this build we chose the following components. All the prices mentioned are approximate and may vary a bit. The CPU is Intel Core i3-7350K. The motherboard is Gigabyte GA-B250M-DS3H. For the GPU, we went with the Gigabyte GV-N105TOC-4GD. The RAM we have is the Kingston HyperX Fury DDR4 kit 8GB at 2133 MHz. For the storage, we went with the Western Digital Blue 1 TB. The PSU is the Cooler Master Watt Lite 500. The cabinet is the Corsair Carbide Spec 4. Now this brings our total budget to 55,000 rupees approx. We presume that you have a monitor and a keyboard and a copy of Windows. However, if you don't, then we recommend these. The Logitech Mk120 keyboard and mouse combo, along with the Benq GW2470H monitor, and a copy of Windows 10 Home that can cost around 8,000 rupees. Adding the monitor, keyboard and mouse combo and Windows brings the cost of this rig to a whopping 71,200 rupees. Remember that you can get some components cheaper if you know where to look. Also, if you are in a place like Delhi, for example, buying all the components from a vendor at Nehru Place can get you a good discount. So now you know the price and components. Let's get building. Now that the beast is built, time to do what it is meant for, gaming. First we played Battlefield 1 on ultra settings with HDR10 and DX12 on. The game ran at 35 frames per second and we were happy with the performance. And next we played Metro Last Light, which ran at 60 frames per second, and we were happy with this game's performance as well. So what do you think about this build? Comment down below and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.